Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin now. Put the Airpods in their charged case and leave the lid open near your unlocked iPhone or iPad. You're starting the automatic firmware update flow. It won't show a manual button. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and your iOS is up to date so the device can download and push firmware. Once done, keep proximity and avoid disconnecting Bluetooth. The update often happens within minutes while the case is connected to power. Now you monitor and create the right conditions. Plug the AirPods case into power and keep your iPhone awake and unlocked nearby so the transfer can complete. You can confirm progress by checking settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon for firmware version. It updates after the install. If nothing changes, try toggling Bluetooth or restarting the phone. This often nudges the update. Make sure not to open the case or move the devices during the transfer so the connection stays stable. Finish by verifying the firmware version in Settings Bluetooth. Tap your AirPods and read the firmware number to confirm success. If the update still hasn't applied, repeat the charged case plus unlocked device routine and leave them undisturbed for a few hours or overnight. Many updates apply passively. As a last resort, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, reset them by holding the case button, then repair. This forces a fresh handshake that often resolves persistent update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.